Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to create a little program that removes duplicates from an array. So before we start, make sure you hit the subscribe button below now. Thank you very much for doing that. Helps out the channel. Really appreciate it, guys, when you do that, and give it a like as well. Okay, so here we go. We're going to go to remove duplicates. Right, this is our little subroutine, and we're going to create an array. I'm going to call it names. So names. Okay. I'm going to do a QW array, so we're going to say Bill, Bob again, because this is all about duplicates, and Bill. Right, those chaps are in our array, so we're going to use this. Let me find the button scene here. This scene is a hash that's used to keep track of the elements in the array. So we're going to use scene there, and now we're going to go on to I'm going to create new array. This is going to be grep. I'm going to use, and it's not in scene. Let's just get that right there. I'm going to iterate over it. Okay, in names. Right, so we're going to print off the original array first to show you what the original array was like. So this is going to be original array. It's going to be names. New line character there. We're going to print the new array. This is going to be new array, new line character. Right, all we're going to do now is we're going to fire this up and see if it removes the duplicates. So we can do this, remove duplicates. Save it. And we shall run it. Whoops. Okay, made a little bit of an error there. What's that all about? Very simple. Got to do that. Okay, let's give it another try. Okay, so we've got the original array there, which has got the duplicates in it, which is this one here, and then we go down to the new array, where we remove the duplicates. So we've only got Bill and Bob. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember to make sure that you hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you know when I release a video, and I will catch you again in another video. Bye-bye.